Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for this day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Cho Creation Designs. In today's video, I am going to show you, I'm going to make an earring from the kit that I put together to be sold. So when you purchase your kit, all you will receive are the beads. You have to assemble and make and create those beads into something phenomenal. Okay. What I am giving you is ideas to put together to make and create for yourself or for you to sell. Okay. In that kit, you will get uh, different types of beads, but you will not get fish hooks or jump rings. Just like when you go to the store to buy beads, that's pretty much what this kit is. So you would have to assemble the earrings and make and create them into something of your own, okay? But I'm going to show you an earring that you could make from the kit. So basically I have a piece of 20 gauge wire. I have my wire cutters, round nose pliers, and I have 3 beads that actually 3 Ds right here do not come with the kit. This is just me adding these on. Okay, you will get all 3 of these, but these 2 right here do not come with the kit, and I just wanted to specify that to let you know that you're only going to be getting the stone wash beads. So the very first thing I am going to do is I'm going to make a loop on my wire, just like this. Then I'm going to give it a little indentation. And this is for those of you who make and create jewelry. So this kit is for those of you who make jewelry. And I needed to specify that because I don't want people to think you're going to get 8 pair of earrings or I'm making 8 pair of earrings. No, you're going to have to assemble and recreate and make your own earrings. So that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. Okay, so I don't want to confuse anybody. Let's snip that off. And I'm going to come here and just squeeze this piece. It's a piece right there. I know you see it. And I just want to squeeze that in to flatten it against. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now what you want to do is you're going to add on your beads. So I'm going to add on, this is a 8mm bead. I'm going to add this on. Then I'm going to add on this nice pretty bead right here. Then I'm going to add on this round bead. I'm going to add on this right here. I believe this is an octagon shape or hexagon, I don't know. And then we're going to add on this one here. Okay. This is going to be an earring that you can make from the set, from the kit that I am showing you. So these 3 beads, like I said, do come in the kit. Now, you can do this several ways. You can wrap the bottom. What I mean by that, you can come here and do this and bring this over and just wrap this on the bottom. Or you can take and make another loop at the bottom like this, And just bring it around like that. And then just wrap it around like this. And then you can pick and choose which end. It would mostly be up at the top because you have more of your wire up at the top. But you can go, there's so many things you can do. So what you want to do now is you're going to come here and you're going to just wrap that around that bottom just like that. And bring it all the way over like that. And then you want to snip it. So I'm just going to snip it right there. And then take the rest of this and see if I can tuck it under the bead, okay? And this is what you're gonna have. And then you can put your fish hook up at the top. You can also hang something down the bottom if you wanna add another bead or whatever. You can also turn this into a necklace. You can hang some tassels down the bottom to turn it into a necklace. There are a lot of options with this, okay? So let me just show you all the kit. So right now I have 2 kits left. Your kit is going to come like this, and it's going to have a variety of many different things in it already. All you get is the beads. Everything else you have to, the wires, the jump rings, the fish hooks, that stuff comes separately, okay? It's stuff that if you make and create jewelry, you should have wires and extra beads and so forth and so on, okay? Now you will get 2 of these shapes, which is this right here. You get 2 of these. You're gonna get 2. Then you also get 2 of those, okay? And then you also get 2 of the round beads. That's 1 pair of earrings right here. That's 1 pair. So you can do at least 3 to 4 pair of earrings, okay? In a previous video, I said 8 pairs, which technically you could do 8 pairs. But when you are assembling these, like if you do this, this could be 1 pair. This could be a pair. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? But if you don't want to do it like that, you have other options. So you can do at least 4 pair. All right? And I'm going to tell you the price of the kit for those of you who want to know. The price of this kit is $20 with $6 shipping. Now, these are some discs that I stonewashed. If you've been following me, you know that lately I've been doing a lot of stonewash. This here is a pair of earrings itself. Now, in order for you to make these earrings, all you need is some hooks, some flat posts, okay, flat posts, and just glue them to the back, and you'll have yourself something really, something really phenomenal, okay, different, unique, and cute. Nobody's going to be out there rocking this type of stuff when the summer comes, okay, because there's nothing out there like this yet, okay. So that's another pair. These right here are definitely a pair, okay. So these come with the kit too. And another thing that I do want to mention that I did not mention in my other video is that if you want to draw on these to recreate a different look, you can, because this is one right here that I did. And all you need is some paint markers, okay? Now, what I am going to say is that these are not finished. I didn't add anything on them. What you see is what you will get. They will come just like this. They do not have a coating or anything like that, because I wanted to give you the option to do that part, to do that if that's what you choose to do. All you are getting are the beads itself, okay? So the kit is $20, the shipping is $6, and if you're interested, let me know. All right, this is another pair of earrings that you can recreate and make, okay? These large ones right here is another. These are the things that come with the kit, because I wanted people to know and see what could be done. So you can make this earring using this kit. And if you choose to sell these or just make them for yourself, because actually you could buy this and make these earrings for yourself, and you'll have a pair of earrings. Every time you go out, somebody be like, girl, what is that? You be like, girl, it's Stonewash. Okay, Stonewash. And all you do is add your beads and add your wire. And this video, once again, is for those of you who make and create jewelry. Okay? So they're not going to come, this is not going to come assembled. These are the actual findings, the beads that's going to come with the kit. So with that being said, and you will have to add some beads to it, because just like now, if you wanted to turn this into a bracelet, you could turn this into a bracelet. You can make this, turn this whole thing into a bracelet. You can make this a big charm. You can make this a charm. You can add it onto a bracelet. You can make this a necklace. Whatever you choose to do, you can create it with this set right here, with these jewelry finding pieces. So I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. And if you're interested, please reach out to me. You can leave me a message down in the comment section, or you can reach out to me in my Etsy shop, because you can reach out to me in my Etsy shop, or you can, yeah. And we will speak. For those of you who do Cash App, we can do Cash App, or if you need me to send you a PayPal invoice, I can send you a PayPal invoice. But these are for those of you who make jewelry. Okay, that's what this is for. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. Have a wonderful and amazing day, everyone. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.